Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up Eero. First, download the Eero app from your mobile device's app store. Once installed, open the app and either create a new Eero account or log in with your existing credentials. Next, unplug your old modem and router from power. Connect your first Eero device directly to your modem using the provided Ethernet cable. Place this primary Eero in a central location in your home for optimal coverage. To expand your network, plug in additional Eero devices. Place them within 50 feet of another active Eero for the best connection. Wait for the indicator light on each new Eero to turn solid white, indicating it's ready. Then, use the Eero app to easily add each new device to your existing network. Proper spacing ensures seamless Wi-Fi coverage throughout your entire home, eliminating dead zones. After adding your Eeros, the app will guide you to name your new Wi-Fi network. Choose a memorable yet secure name. Next, create a strong, unique password to protect your network from unauthorized access. You can also explore advanced settings within the app, such as setting up a guest network for visitors or configuring parental controls to manage internet access for family members. These steps personalize your Eero experience. Finally, confirm that all your devices, like phones and smart TVs, are connected to your new Eero network. Test your Wi-Fi speeds in various areas of your home to ensure consistent performance. If you find any weak signal spots, try relocating an Eero device a few feet to optimize coverage. For any persistent issues or questions, Eero's customer support team is readily available to provide assistance and guidance.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.